Good afternoon, class 4. This is me, Nitish, your English teacher from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. Today I am going to start the first lecture video of chapter number 14 of English grammar, and the name of the topic is verb. As we all know that verb is an action word which expresses the action, the movement, either sleeping, eating, playing, doing anything is called action word verb. Here the definition has given a verb is an action or doing word and tell us what a person, animals or things does. Whatever we do in our activities, either sleeping, eating, reading, playing, jumping, throwing, biting, etc. and etc. These all terms which represent action within itself is action word or verb. Without verb we can't imagine even a single sentence in English or in any language. Verb doesn't mean for only action, but it also assert a very common statement. For example, this is a boy. Here is a verb because of is we are asserting something that this is a boy. I have a pen. Have is also verb here, because if we have something and we have to tell us about that, we have to use possessive verb. We have to assert something by using is, am or are. You are a boy. You are boy. So such kind of sentences required verb. And verb doesn't mean only action, but it's also required for asserting something, and it's also required for having something. For example, he has a pen. So there is no any action word here, but still there is a verb in a form of has, because has is a possessive verb. So these all kinds of things. See here in a red letter, a verb is also used to say or assert what a person, animal or thing is. I'm a man. Am is verb here for asserting I am a man. What I am a man. It is cat. It is a cat. Now let's talk about a verb tell us what a person, animals or thing does, is or has. Does stand for doing something, is stand for asserting something, and has stand for having something. A verb may be made up of only one word or more than one word. So in this way we have come across the chapter. Verb is an action word, like many action and doing word is called verb. Verb is also used for asserting something, and verb is also used for having something, possessing something. Like I have a red pen, you have a red car. So in this way you have to read the chapter again and watch the video. I hope you will get different ideas about the verb after listening and watching the video. See the examples. All the examples are set here and given below in each and every section. So go through this and enjoy the video and learn something more about the verb. That's all for today, and practice the exercises. Okay then, bye.